To access Phantom Wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download button to install the Phantom browser extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to generate a new wallet, and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. The seed phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access, so it is crucial to keep it confidential and secure. After creating your wallet, you will be taken to the Phantom dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other wallet information. To access the Solana blockchain and start interacting with decentralized applications, click on the Connect button and select the browser extension as your wallet provider. Phantom Wallet supports multiple blockchain networks, including Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon, so make sure to select the correct network before connecting to any application. When connecting to a decentralized application, you will be prompted to approve the connection request, and you should only approve requests from trusted applications. To send or receive assets, navigate to the Send or Receive tab in your Phantom Wallet and follow the prompts to enter the recipient's address and the amount you want to transfer. Always double-check the recipient's address and the transaction details before confirming the transaction. To add a new token to your Phantom Wallet, navigate to the Tokens tab and search for the token you want to add. Click on the Add Token button and follow the prompts to add the token to your wallet. Make sure to only add tokens from trusted sources to avoid potential scams. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your Phantom Wallet, and start interacting with the Solana blockchain and other supported networks. Always keep your seed phrase secure and be cautious when interacting with decentralized applications to ensure the security of your assets.